Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve, Fillet, Shell, and Extrude. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch, and here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line here and this one. The both line has 50 millimeters of length, and the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a line, click here on the midpoint, make a line here with 50 millimeters, and create another line here. Go to constraint, select equal, select the both lines, okay, and go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 60 degrees. And now we will create this line here with 75 millimeters and create this line here with 25 millimeters. The fillet in the corners we'll make later, okay? So create this line with 75 and this line here with 25 millimeters. 75 millimeters and a line here with 25 millimeters. We made this one, and now we use the revolve features to create the body. So we will close this sketch. So select this point, make a line here and make a line here. So we have a profile here, okay? This line must be a vertical line from the midpoint, and this line here must be a horizontal line, okay? So finish the sketch and go to revolve. The axis of revolution, select this line here. The operation, new body, the angle 360 degrees, and press OK. We made this body here. Okay. And now we will create the fillet in the corners. All the fillet here has 10 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet and select this edge, and this edge here. 10 millimeters of radius. The type here is fillet, the radius type constant, and press OK. We made this one. Okay. And now we will shell this body. And the thickness of this body is 5 millimeters. So go to shell, and now we will select the face that we want to remove. So select the top face, and the thickness here is 5 millimeters. The direction inside, and press OK. We made this one. And now to finish this exercise, we needed to create a hole here. We have a hole through all this body, and the diameter of this hole is 10 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint is 60 millimeters. It is this hole here, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the front plane again, and select a circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, make sure that this circle is vertical with the midpoint, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint is 60 millimeters, and finish the sketch. And now go to extrude, select this profile, the direction here, select the symmetric, and the extend type, select all, and the operation here is cut, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.